Morningstar candlestick pattern, trading strategy backtested with Bitcoin 5-minute data. What's a Morningstar? The Morningstar pattern consists of a tall red candlestick, a smaller green or red candlestick with a short body and long wicks, and a third tall green candlestick. The middle candle of the Morningstar pattern captures a moment of market indecision. It means that the bulls are overtaking bears. The third candle confirms the reversal and can mark a new uptrend. Example Morningstar patterns. Let's look at a few examples of the Morningstar. Here on September 4th, 2021 at 9:15 we have a Morningstar. Let's see if we can find more. Here's another one. Let's look at that. This is a more clear one. So this is the Morningstar indicator giving us the pattern recognized. We have a few more, but we don't really win all the trades. So this is really about the stop loss and take profit. The strategy. We only take long positions. Buy when a Morningstar with a specified penetration occurs, for example 0.7. Stop loss and take profit are at fixed percentages, for example 7%. This is the heat map. The optimization was based on maximizing the SQN. The yellow zones are better. One of the best parameter combinations is stop loss at 7%, take profit at 14%, and penetration 0.7. And these are the results. We can see we made 400 trades. Our win rate was not really great, about 40%, but we were in the positive in terms of return. We made about 9,000%. And I tested this strategy with other time periods from 2012 to 2021. Patterns. The win rate fluctuates from one year to another. In 2014, it was 20%, in 2012, it was 75%. The number of trades per year on a 5-minute candle is less than 80. The direction of return and buy and hold are the same. The Morningstar pattern seems to have captured the underlying trend. Except for 2015, buy and hold beats the strategy's return. Conclusion. Morningstar may capture trend reversal from bearish to bullish, but the win rate and return percentage is very sensitive to stop loss and take profit values.